and welcome back to the channel. My name's Adam Berry and today I'm going to take you through how to do a split squat. Now, this isn't a Bulgarian split squat, this is different. This is a split squat with both feet on the floor, whereas a Bulgarian split squat you'd be elevated on something like that with your back foot. Right, let me take you through it. So, you're going to assume a position like so, with one foot in front of the other. You want your ankle just maybe like 6 inches in front of your hip on this side, and then you just want to get back. I have to get back quite a long way here because I have such long legs, but we want to get to a position that when we bend our back leg, that it ends up right underneath our hip here like so, and we end up with a wonderful square here like this. Now, one of the key things to remember with the split squat is what happens in your hips as you go down. You'll see a lot of people in the gym and online demonstrating a split squat like so, which is a lot more like a lunge, but I don't even like that for the lunge personally. So what we want is, when we split squat, like always with the squat, we've got to break our hips. Otherwise, you're going to create too much tension in the upper body and in the lower back. So we've got to break our hips back. So your back is going to come onto an angle like so, and then you come down and up. Now when you come back up, you'll notice I keep everything still, because what I'm doing is I'm putting all of my weight into my front heel like so, and the front heel is where I put everything and I squeeze to stand up. I'm not powering myself up from the back leg. I'm not doing that at all. So it's not pushing my toes and then come back up like this. It all comes through that front heel. So I'm here, front heel and up. Break the hips and up. And that's how you do the split squat. You can add weights to it, you can add dumbbells to it, which makes it a bit more intense. Just hold them nice and low down like so. Luckily, here's some I made earlier. I'll switch sides this time. Just hold them low, pretend they're not even in your hands, but all the same rules apply with the slight lean forward. And again, make sure your eyes are focused about 6 foot in front of you on the floor. You don't want to be looking up, you don't want to be looking around. You want your eyes to be kind of just staring at the floor, 6 foot in front of you, and that keeps your head in the right position as you do the split squat. Right, I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace, love and protein. High vibes and positive vibe. Bye.